Hey guys, this is Mike Trolla with Qlik, and I'm going to give you a speed run on setting up tabular reporting. So once you've logged into Qlik Cloud Analytics, navigate over to your management console. Now, obviously you need permissions to do this. In the management console, navigate to settings. If you scroll down, you'll see a section marked sharing and reports. Here is where you would select the Oauth client so you can download the manifest for the Excel plugin for Office 365. If this has not been set up, you need to go over to Oauth. In Oauth, click Create New. From the client type, choose Single Page App. Provide a name and a description if you wish. For scope, choose User Default, which needs to be selected as a minimum, otherwise this will not work. For Add Redirect URLs, basically you're going to add your host name plus an added string, which I will include in the description. Click Add. And then for allowed origins, it's just basically going to be your tenant name. Make sure that the / is not at the end of the URL. Click Add, then click Create. Here you can choose to copy the client ID. At this point, you really don't need that. That's for other OAuth related type of applications and activity that might need it. Next, you're going to go to Settings, and you're going to scroll back to the Sharing and Report section. Where it says select Oauth client, choose the one we just created, then click Download. Here you will receive your manifest file. Click Save. Now, go into your Office 365 environment, go to Excel, click on a blank workbook. Click on Add-ins, More Add-ins, My Add-ins, Upload My Add-in. Browse, select your manifest file, click Upload. You will now have a Qlik icon in your toolbar. Click on this, and you will be prompted to log into your tenant. Click Approve. Now, if you're already logged into your session, you might not get prompted to log in. At this point, you can choose your source app. Here, I'm just going to go to Do More with Qlik. And here, I just happen to have a sample app called Consumer Sales. I'll click Save. And what that will do is it will read the sheets and the objects that it can then be used to pull in to create operational reports that it can use for schedule and distribution. And I'll just run through a quick example right here, but we'll focus on this more in the next video. Here, I'm just going to grab the actual versus budget report and then click Add. I could also click Preview as Excel, and this will download a copy of the report. This is what you're going to be using as a template when it comes to the governed tasks that we're going to create for schedule and distribution. I'll just click Save. And then I'm going to click Open, and you'll see what it looks like in Excel on my desktop. And there it is. Join me on the next video to learn a little bit more about tabular reporting. Take care, guys.